Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be filming in a different type of way because the project that I just worked on, I just took photos. It's not a video, just photos. And I'm going to be showing you how I made my own 6 scale, my 1/6 scale on Red Hood action figure. Okay, the first picture is the body that I used for this figure, and it's a I got the name here, a version 1/6 scale male body regular type 4.0. And the Red Hood helmet, you could just look for 1/6 scale Red Hood helmet online. On eBay is where I got mine. Okay, next photo is a fuller picture of the body. Next photo, just another picture of the body. And this is I was gonna sew a suit for the body, but my sewing machine went out, so I just wrapped the fabric around. I made the shirt, the black shirt that he has on, I made that shirt, and then my sewing machine went out, and then I couldn't make the rest of the suit, so I just wrapped the fabric around it and glued it in certain places so that he still can move and do different poses. Another picture. And now this is the body fully wrapped with the helmet on, and I wanted to make it look like he had just come up out the I forgot what brought him back to life. He had just come out the water that brought him back to life. He was still wrapped in the bandages that he was buried in. So that's what I wanted it to look like. This is another picture of the bandage wrapped around him. Okay, this is the helmet. The first coat I used a black gloss on that helmet. The second coat was a silver. And the third, hold on, the third helmet, the third coat was red. Text message. Third coat was red. Now I don't think I had to do all that. I maybe could have done a black and then just done the red, but it doesn't matter. More pictures of the helmet. Now this is the helmet fully painted. I painted the eyes white. I drew I got a Sharpie pen, and I drew in the lines to do the black lining on the mask. It looks just like mine that I have. Just a smaller version. It's a picture of the helmet with my full-size helmet. Okay, this is a picture of the body. The lighting is kind of dim on this one. This is the picture of the body with the helmet. This is another picture with the body with the helmet. Another picture. Another picture. Another picture. Now this is me making a utility belt. I got some, what is called, some foam board. I cut it into little squares. Then I wrapped this leather fabric around it, and then I just super glued it. Oh no, it's not a utility belt. This is the little pouches around his leg. Then I super glued it to a strip of the leather fabric, wrapped it around his leg, wrapped and glued the pouches on the strip of fabric, the strip of leather fabric. Glued that on. Put another strip of leather around it, and this is how it looks. That's another photo of how it looks. Another photo of how it looks. This is a close-up picture of the pouch. I made another pouch. Okay, this is me making a vest. So I got a stencil of his body. I drew a stencil off of his chest, cut it out, put it on the fabric, cut that out, and I done the back and the front the same. Glued it together, added some straps on the shoulders, and I put it on him. And this is a picture of the back. And this is him with the vest, and I glued another strap around his arm, add more detail. In his fighting pose, that's a picture of the back. I glued another strip around the bottom of the vest. And this is a full photo of how he looks so far. Another picture, fighting pose. Now this is me adding the logo, the emblem on his chest, the Batman, his red Batman emblem. Now I used the same stencil that I used to make the vest, and I drew it out, folded in half, drew the Batman symbol on one half. I wanted to create my own Batman symbol. Alright, I taped it to his chest so it wouldn't move, and I painted it with a sponge. I just dabbed it, and that's how it looks. And that's a photo of the top half of his torso. That's how it looks with the vest. I put a little rope around his leg. You can see I added another pouch on his left side. Close-up photo of him. Okay, now this is the utility belt. It's made the same way that I made the pouches on his leg. I didn't show how I made it, but this is how I made it. I added a little rope. I added a batarang, and this is when I glued it onto him. All this stuff is glued onto him, but he still can move great. He still can pose and do different action poses. This is another photo. This is a full photo. Still no boots. I had forgot to order them. Another photo, another type of position. This is another photo, different lighting. Fighting pose, different lighting. Another stance. Another photo, different lighting. Might use that for the thumbnail. Okay, this one is I brought different guns and different grenades. This is I think smoke bombs. I glued on the back of the pouch, on the back of his utility belt, and then I put a strap around that to make it look like it was in different holsters. This is a close-up picture of the smoke bomb. I got him a grenade launcher, different guns. Now right here is a photo of I got him axe, a little miniature axe, 2 knives, 2 grenades, and 2 bigger grenades. I don't know what they are. This is him posed up with the gun. Another pose with the gun. I put the I glued a strap around the gun, and I put it around him so he can hold his gun on his back. And this is when the boots came in. I finally had ordered the boots, and this is a photo of the boot. The boots. And they look pretty good. They like fake leather. The bottom is real plastic. Plastic. Look good. Real shoestrings. You just take his feet off and you put them in there. This is a full picture of him with the boots on. A finished photo of him. Okay, that's it. And that is how I made my first custom 1/6 scale figure, Red Hood, one of my favorite characters in comic book history. That's why I brought the helmet. And he is really inspired by the Gotham Knights Red Hood. Yep. And I'm gonna be my next video, I don't know if my next video is gonna be I should be working on the Sub-Zero cosplay for Halloween, but I'm also working on my own custom Joker with a Jim Carrey head. I colored the body and everything. You'll see in the video. I brought the vest, I brought him a gun and everything. Well, thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment of what you think of my first custom 1/6 scale figure. Go to I think it's the first link in the description to follow my gaming channel. Go to the second link in the description to find my t-shirts for my gaming channel. And I think I have one shirt up for my art channel. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment on what you would like to see next. Thank you.